Hey YouTube, welcome to the maiden voyage of R&R Outdoors with your pro staff members today, Blake Isbell and
Kevin Cook.
Out here on the lake today, and gonna try and catch us some bass or crappie
Whatever bites.
or whatever bites, because that's just how we do things. Gonna paddle on over to our little fishing spots around here, and hopefully we'll sink a hook in a big one.
Alright, first cast.
Going down in here, I'm working a Berkeley power worm, 6-inch black power tail. Just free floating right now on a weedless hook setup. Just trying to work it slow, and we're just going to try and figure out what the fish enjoy the best today. Got doing a little bank fishing coming off the ends of these bushes right now, so maybe we'll produce some results.
Had a little snag. Looks like you hit me with that, you're a dead man.
We're good, we're good.
Blake, if you don't get your fish out of that, something's wrong.
I'm working on it.
I can see his big old butt down there. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Just blowing bubbles. You feel that spongy feeling. That ain't
Just about hit a turtle.
his big butt sitting down on it. Come.
We'll be there. Feel like a ton of brick just set down on top of it.
Makes me tingle.
Gives me chills just thinking about that big old hog laying over on the hook. Hang. Got a little lure malfunction here. There we go. But yeah, YouTube, this is the maiden voyage of the Rifles and Rods Outdoors channel.
No, I'm not diabetic, I just shake. If you're curious as why the screen's moving.
Boy, he could thread a running sewing machine. Plenty of turtles out here. Might have to do a turtle sniper episode. And they just ain't working in that tree today. I'm gonna try and take it up through the limbs there, see what we got. See if we can get a little bite. Oh yeah. Slide it on up through there. How's the water temp today? Pretty chilly?
I don't know, let me check. About 79.3.
Oh, you don't.
Give or take a few odometers.
Odometer?
Gonna throw a chatterbait. Black and blue so they can see it in this Nesquik pond. And got a little vibration to it so they can feel it too. Just kind of slow roll it. That way when it comes by him, he's gonna grab it. Hopefully.
We hope so. I'd have killed you if you'd have hooked me with that.
There's a scuba diver down there. What's going on?
Just like the Bell Dance show. Have your scuba diver down there hook one on for you. One of them hogs. It's a 12-pound largemouth bass here. I catch them like this all day long.
This thing's throwing a lot more than what I thought it would.
we keep this up, we're going to have a lot on the blooper reel.
A little silent presentation. Blake, I suggest you pick your rod back up and I'll leave this spot.
Alright, let's go check out another spot.
Make one cast way back in there to the back of that thing.
Just fishing this one off the dam here. I'm really sure all this commentary is very exciting for the people at home watching us, since we're so full of everything to say here. Alright, we're going to go check out a different spot, so yeah.
Rifles and rods, take 2.
Basically trying to work it down the bank a little bit. Hadn't seen any action so far, but we've got a couple more spots in store for you, so hopefully we'll sink a hook in one sooner or later.
Alright, got a big lay down here in real muddy water. Got a crankbait, real wide wobble. It's a Bill Norman Fat Boy. What you want to do is take that thing and just cast it. It'll almost come through a barbed wire fence. So I'm going to roll it down in there, crash it against that wood, and just kill it. And a lot of times if he's there, especially in muddy water, he's going to be nose up on that timber. So he'll be sitting in there and you just run it by his face and he'll kill it. At least that house works on the river anyway.
Yeah, we got to get our bearings with these private lakes. You know, this habitat's a whole lot different than up there on the river. Just got to be easy. The water being chilly, they might be moving slower, you know, going after a slower action bait. Never know. Then again, they may not be going after a bait at all.
It's a good lesson. If you get hung up, pop a line, come loose, come on, put it.
That's a pretty impressive little bit there.
I do.
What happens if you swing it back and it hooks me in the shoulder?
Pop it.
I'd rather you not.
Okay, something here wrong here. We should be getting bit. Let's throw the oldie popper in there. If we get something with the popper. Something.
Le Papar.
Kind of this.
Throw it over Le Papar.
Popper and then pop it out, make it spit, holler and woo day and all that. Even though it's muddy, he should still be able to pick it up. Pick up on it, brother. I don't want to see a mouth the size of Texas minnow.
There he is, right there. Oh yeah. That's a decent fish right there.
Oh. Alright guys, we're back out here today for round 2. Wind's blowing 5,000 miles an hour. Not letting up, so Blake's paddling, trying to get bit. water still is like Nesquik. Just doing the same thing we did yesterday, throwing a pop-off, even though it's sunny, in the shade, trying to get bit. We broke out the weenie worm, little Zoom 6-inch finesse worm, going to try to get a couple of bites. The camera went dead yesterday, we caught 3 more, but it looks more like football commentary because there's no picture. So, that's about it, guys, right now. Hopefully we'll get a few bites. Let's see some fishes. Big fishes. Quit leaving.
Oh my goodness. What have we got here? It's hung in the tree. It's wrapped around my line. I'm not too sure about that one.
Blaze got him. That's alright, Blaze got him. Blaze got him. Hey, first one of the day. Wind blowing 5,000 miles an hour, but we still got it. He just stumped over his teeth. That's alright.
Well, that sucks. Stumped my teeth.
Commentary on that, Blake.
Don't ask right now.
We're having a rough time, guys. We have no trolling motor, only a paddle, and the wind's blowing 5,000 miles an hour. But we will overcome adversity.
Maybe.
He said maybe. Because you can't hear him because of the wind. Ah, look at there.
First one of the day, boy.
I don't know what in the hell is going on today, but whatever it is pretty bad. This line on this particular rod has ended up in the key ring of this hook on this other rod. Some miracle. There we go. It's a bad day. It's so bad, Blake's done with his britches. We done blowed up into the trees.
What's our lineup for today? Let's see. Pardon the language, but it's windy as balls. I just dipped my rear end into the water and almost flipped the boat over after tripping over the blessed anchor cord.
Basically, we got it stuck in and broke off today.
Yeah. I did catch a fish, though.
Yeah.
That's about it.
We'll continue our journey and fill you in here.
Yeah, we'll fill you in later on in this expedition.